In 1978, the biggest cash heist in American history happened in just 64 minutes. Lufthansa cargo building at JFK Airport held $6 million in cash and jewelry. Airport worker Louis Werner had gambling debts. So he gave Jimmy Burke the inside information he needed. Burke's crew knew exactly where to go. They tied up the guards, cleaned out the entire cargo bay, gone without a trace. But Burke had a problem, too many witnesses. So he started killing his own crew, one by one. His paranoia consumed him. He even murdered his son-in-law. The perfect heist was becoming a bloodbath. Then Henry Hill got arrested for cocaine. Facing prison time, he made a deal with the FBI. Hill exposed everything. The heist. The murders. Burke's entire operation. Burke died in prison, still claiming he was innocent. The case inspired the movie Goodfellas. But the real story was even more brutal than Hollywood showed. 6 million stolen, 11 people dead. All because one man couldn't trust his own crew.